Hey guys, welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to use the AirPods, Apple AirPods 3 on an Android device. This is a OnePlus Nord N100, and for that we're going to grab the AirPods and pull them out, and I'm basically going to put one in my ear, and I'm going to open a Spotify. I'm going to go ahead and play some music, which I can just click the stem one time, okay, and that would be play, and I can't do it on that one because it's literally not in my ear. But basically, one click is to play and pause. I don't know how to do it. There we go. Play, pause. Okay, so that is just to play and pause. It's the same as on the iPhone. If we want to play it again, play it again. As you can see, it's play. If we want to go to the next song, it's double tap. So squeeze 2 times. 1, 2. And that went now to another song. If we want to start a previous song, and it's already started a little bit, we can give it 3. So 1, 2, 3. And now that started again. You saw that it went from 9 seconds. I can even scroll into it. And let's say we're in the middle of the song. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And it started. And if we're at the very beginning, we can do 1, 2, 3 and go to the next previous song. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you saw it went backwards. First, it will always go a few, to the beginning of the song if it's already gone a few seconds in. But if it's in 0 seconds, it can go to the previous song. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that went now to the previous song. So yeah, basically that's how you use them. It's press and it pauses, press again and it plays, and then double tap to go to the next song, triple tap to start again, or to go back one song. So yeah, that's how you use the AirPods from Apple AirPods 3 on a OnePlus Nord N100. It's super simple. You can't do Siri or anything like that, obviously, because it's not an Android phone and not an iPhone or an iPad. But yeah, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.